Welcome to the Filk Family Adventures. Today's challenge is eating dog food and treats. This will be fun. I've got Paige here, my other daughter, and we've got the dog, Luna. Say hello, Luna. Right, we're going to start off with some little treats to start with some bonio sticks, nice and gravy. Then we'll work our way up to some nicer stuff. Right, Luna, would you like to try one first?
Oh, there you go.
Nice.
That's a good start.
You one?
Do you want that one?
Yeah. Mmm.
Good? Bit dry?
Yeah, not much sausages at all, no gravy. Would you like to try one, Paige?
Oh, I would love one. Can I have one that you haven't licked?
This is what I haven't licked.
Okay.
There you go. Pleased? That Luna, does you want one? No? That's cheating.
I've got...
You can eat that now.
No, thank you.
What's your verdict on that one then?
Bit dry.
No taste, is that really? Bit
No wonder
bland.
she spat it out.
I think we'd try. What's the one on the end there, Paige? The wag.
Do try and get rid of this one.
I think I'll put the dog down for a little while. You go down, really, Luna? Hey, go down. There you go.
Let's have a look. Try cookies?
No, we'll try these ones first.
Okay.
These look nice. This is Wag steak and chips. It's with beef and potato. Mmm. There you go. They look nice.
Luna's waiting for him, look. Oh, yeah, ripped off the sealy bit of you.
That's the size stuff still there.
Yeah, they're not very tasty, they're bonios.
Do you want one here? I think we must be parking doing this, aren't we? Oh, that smells a bit like fish food to me. Like ground bait. Nice, isn't it?
Smells like dog poo.
Oh. You want to try one? There you go. Which one would you like, Rose? F.
Rosie.
Paige. You choose?
Do we have to have a whole one?
Oh yes, and swallow.
What if they're different colours? What's the difference?
One's steak and one's chips, isn't it?
I think.
You got what chip, have you?
I think so.
I've got a steak. Paige's got a chip. I can imagine these tasting really nice. And here we go.
I think that one's got a hair in it.
That's all right.
No, look, it's got hair.
Don't worry about it. Well, do you want another chip?
No, but why
Just bloody eat it then.
Look. What animal has hair?
Beef, I reckon.
Oh, look. Look at that.
That's all right. It's only a little one. Here we go. Give these a bash. Beef and chips.
Oh, this stinks like dog poo. Is yours good? Please tell me it is.
Don't be such a... Get it in your...
Give me 2 seconds.
Get it in your mouth now.
It crunched in my mouth.
Would you try a beef one instead?
No, hold on.
Oh,
Give me 2 seconds. Come on.
Go on the second one now. Just say... Oh. There you go, have another one. Right.
Have a sniff on that one.
I've just had 2 of these.
Shit.
Hey, Brent, stop doing the wet food yet.
How's that biscuit to you? Is that nice?
It's not my face still.
That was Wag steak and chips. I found not too bad, but they're
I'm not a fan.
a bit gritty.
There's a funny, like, cartilagey sort of texture to that one, and it popped in my mouth, and stinks, doesn't it? What are we trying next?
I think we saw some Wag cookies this time.
Mum, would you get me a wet wipe?
There you go, Wag
It's all over
cookies.
my hand.
For dogs 8 weeks older, 8 weeks old. This is peanut butter and banana flavour cookie bites. That should be nice, shouldn't they?
I hope it is peanut butter flavour.
Well, we'll soon find out. Just make everybody aware that dog food is actually tested by humans as well, so you know it's all safe.
I think I got sick.
Smells a bit like the last lot. Nice.
It smells exactly like it's meant to.
There you go. Give one to Luna. Do you like them? Yep, she likes them. Here we go then. Wag cookies with peanut butter and whatever else is on it.
Peanut butter banana.
Peanut and butter and banana.
Right. Cheers.
You wolf it down. Woof, 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 woof. Ready? Oh, nice.
It's like sticky.
Sickle over her hands. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That texture again.
A bit of peanut butter in them.
Don't do it quite now.
Once we get to the better stuff in a minute, it'll be lovely. No, not the table. There you go. Another one.
No. Can
That
I
tastes
not?
of peanut butter.
Those so junky in it again.
Gritty, aren't they?
Oh, it's in my teeth. I can't.
That's mine gone.
Yeah, mine.
There's no hard lumps.
You know lumps?
Yeah, a few.
It's not too bad.
Smell it.
No, thank you.
What are we trying next?
Since you like Wag so much, we're going to try another Wag one now. This one here.
Luna away.
This one is ham and cheese toasty. Your favourite. Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't wait to get your claws into these, can you?
You'll be chasing my tail later.
Yeah, you fucking will be, I reckon. And barking. It's just tasty chunks, this is,
I hope it's not chunky.
with ham and cheese. And I just need a... What's these peanuts up my mouth?
Did you say peanuts or?
Hell of a gritty. Right. They all seem to smell the same.
Oh, don't.
Smell.
No.
Smell.
Okay.
Smell.
Yeah.
Smell.
Yeah,
What smell?
it was deep, Dad. It was a deep breath.
Right, let's see what Luna thinks first. Luna, what do you think?
I think she likes that one too.
Nice? No complaints? Tastes good? Good. Right, now our turn. I'll let you choose one.
There's the smallest one.
Yeah, they're all the same size.
No, there's triangles in here. No, they're not. They're just sideways.
There they are. Look.
Right, ready? Oh, come on.
Right. Can we get the bucket ready already, are you? Right, here we go then. This is Wag ham and cheese. Right,
Ready?
ready?
Cheers.
3, 2, 1. Not touching your fingers.
As you can see, I've got a bit of sick on my hands.
Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Got the same taste again.
Still gritty, aren't they?
Don't talk about the texture.
Mmm.
Oh, my
Yeah.
jaw's going.
Can't taste no ham in them. Can't taste no cheese. Can you taste any ham or cheese, Paige? Is that a yes or a no? Another one.
No!
You sure?
Is it my teeth?
There you go. I think the dog appreciates them. I've come to the conclusion
They're very bitty.
all the Wag stuff, there's a little hint of cheese, I think, in that one.
Yeah?
But you?
Uh-huh.
Suck your
Let
teeth.
us smell your breath.
No, thank you.
No, let me smell
No,
your breath.
please don't. I don't want to. Beef stew. I definitely don't recommend them ones. I had a bit in my mouth again.
That's right. We need to get to the real stuff. Right. All that Wag stuff seems to taste the same, really, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Like dog
I just
food.
bit my tongue.
Okay. Oh no, don't do that.
Right. Conclusion on those ones? All taste the same, don't they, really?
My dog poo.
Yeah. Right, now we're going to try some of these. They are
Tasty sticks
Web
with
box.
chicken.
Yeah, Web box tasty sticks with chicken. These should be absolutely gorgeous. You've got to
Go
eat,
again.
you're going to eat a whole one. A whole one on your own.
We'll see.
Right, got one each. There you go. Mmm. They smell like ass.
Hold on. Like beef gravy.
I think they smell like ass.
I haven't been that close to one.
No. That's what they look like. They tasty morsels. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you want one?
Do
Hey.
you like a bit of mine?
No, you just eat yours.
Okay. I don't mind the smell of that.
What sort of tastes like, shall we? Ready?
I can see
3,
bits in it already.
2, 1, eat.
Oh. Oh.
Read what's in it, Wayne.
I thought there's a lot in there actually.
So you wait until we finished it first.
Tastes a bit of chicken. Actually quite nice. I quite like these. Meat and animal.
Dad, don't read it out yet, please. No.
I think there's some sort of meat in there. 75%. Yeah,
No.
there's some sort of offal in there, I think. Got some minerals.
Can you just wait a minute? Let me try at least eat something.
There's only 6% chicken in it. Got to eat up. Let me finish that.
Let's not talk about what's in them right now. No.
What does that say there?
Derivatives?
Yeah, animal derivatives. That could be.
No, don't say what that is.
I think we'll figure out what that is.
Yeah.
I don't think you're meant to eat it. Well, you are, but.
Right, I'm just going to shove it in.
Go on, get it in your mouth. Go on.
Just don't talk about it anymore, okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Look at fingers.
Where's that come from? Like yours?
No, it's a dog bone. I've eaten mine.
Uh-huh.
No. You're going to throw that one as well, yeah?
Oh, it's chunky.
Oh, derivatives are.
You two are bloody animals. I'm not a fan of that one either.
That's a more meatier one, I must admit.
Yeah, it smelled nicer than the others.
It tasted better as well.
It
I
had
a proper dog food.
like chunky fats in it still. And it crunches in your teeth.
It's all the derivatives in it.
Derivatives, yeah. Let's have a look. Crude proteins 33.5%. Fat 20%. Yeah, there it is.
It's not bad, then.
Crushed ash 10%.
It could be the gritty bits.
Oh no, that'll be the fibre maybe.
Could be the bits of chicken
Yeah.
crown things that become beaks and claws and stuff.
Even better.
Right, now we're going on to the main course. We're going to have some of this. This is Naturo Mini grain-free chicken with potato and vegetables.
Naturo, isn't it?
That's what I said, Naturo. There you go. What me? The writing's that bloody small. I can't even read what it is.
Let me have a look.
That is well small, that, isn't it?
Right. Chicken 60%, potato 20%, from 5.27% dried potato, vegetables 10%, 1.9% dried peas and carrots, minerals, sunflower oil 0.75%, salmon oil,
Oh, lovely bit of salmon.
dried tomato, dried kelp,
Kelp's alright.
dried basil,
Basil.
vitamins.
Yeah, just get the thing open. Go on.
Yeah, crude fats. There they use that word again.
Yeah, lovely.
And ash.
More ash.
Yeah, 75% in that one.
Oh, let's try and see what it's like, shall we?
Yeah.
Let you open this one.
You sure?
Do we know that your fingers are a little bit sicky still, aren't they?
Yeah. They're still sticking together too.
Oh, yes.
It's a very wet texture, this one.
Oh, can't wait to get my teeth into this one. Ooh,
Yeah,
that's
it's a strong one.
Just a spoon each. Wait,
that actually smells like army rations. It does actually smell like army rations. That.
It almost smells like corned beef.
Yeah. I'm going for a little spoonful. Just get some meat and veg in there, and some more ash. Give the dog a bone.
Enough?
Want a dog a bone? There you go.
Is that enough?
No, get your bloody spoon in there. Get it in there.
I
Come
can't
on.
do as big a spoon
No,
as you.
just get it in your mouth.
My mouth isn't as big. We've already worked that out.
Well, I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Now I've got more than you.
No, you haven't, because mine's mounted.
Yeah, mine's tunnelled.
You've got a smaller spoon than me.
Can't have that
Right,
much.
go on. Ready? Because the battery's going to die out.
Okay.
Where you're going.
Alright. Okay. Oh, God, that's so much.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay, we'll chuck
Why
it
has yours
down.
gone half? Look at the size of that to that.
I'm going to bring it back up, I guarantee it.
Right, here we go then, ready?
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. I don't want touching your fucking spoon.
Cheers.
No, you bugger. Ready?
2, 1.
One. Ready? Mmm.
Good? Go on, in your mouth.
Look out for the bones though.
You joking?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that one was saying, come on. Right, go, 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 go.
Get it in there. Go on. Right, chew it. Chew it.
Our slips in.
Chew it.
It's up my nose as well. Our slips in cheese.
Got something hard in there.
Yeah.
You put on the table.
Sorry.
Oh.
They're chunky.
You taste the veg.
I could taste it, yeah.
Right, next one.
You got salmon in it.
I think so. Salmon oil.
Where?
Yeah, sucking my teeth.
It's all
Oh,
on
the next one.
down my lip.
Right, quickly going on.
Last one.
No. Right, next one is Cesar Classic Terrine with tender chicken and turkey, made of natural ingredients. There we go.
Do you want me to read the ingredients out to you?
No, that's right. Just got the bones out of my teeth. Or claws. Could be a claw. Right. You look so happy.
I'm feeling a bit sick, to be honest.
You've already fucking brought everything up, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Please be good.
look at that. It's even got gravy as well.
I think that's jelly.
It's liquidy
Yeah.
as well.
Mm-mm-mm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Get your spoon. Look at
There's
the,
such big spoonfuls.
you've got to make sure you taste it, haven't you?
Okay.
Dig in.
It's already chunky, I can see it.
I've been bone stuck in my teeth, yes, haven't I?
It's the texture.
No. Right, ready? What the hell is that? You have a spoonful, have a spoonful.
I am.
Really? Get some more.
Okay. Why is there so much liquid in it?
It's the greasy stuff, oily stuff, isn't it?
It's the ash juice.
Yes, the ash juice in it. Ready?
Yeah.
3. Try and keep this one down this time,
I'm
okay?
trying.
Very trying.
You.
Yeah, it's sinewy in there as well, ready? 3, 2, 1, eat.
Please, less noise. Oh, come on. Right.
Come on.
I'm trying. You're spitting on me now. Oh, come on. Cold.
I'm going to fucking eat it up for you, mate. I don't like that one very much. Well,
What?
I think it might have the chicken nuts in there or something, or kidneys. A lot of offal. You can taste it. You eat it or not?
Whoa.
Not my favourite one, that one. But yours is. No, in the bin. Good fucking state of you.
It's on my glasses.
It's everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Right, dog.
I wasn't actually keen on that one. That's a bone. So you got it all over the table, everything. Look.
Mhm.
You go, Luna. What do you think of that one? Nice.
I got to chew it.
That's about as far as it went, though, wasn't it?
I think it was your sound effects that got me.
That wasn't my best one, I must admit. There's not. I think there's too much offal in there. Too many waste products. Not real turkey and chicken, you know what I mean? But as my t-shirt says, that's what we should do and get on with it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to clean up, do you?
Yeah, is that right?
Right. Pause for a second while she cleans herself up, and we'll be back in a second. Right, now we're on to the last one. This is the Morrison's own brand. This is a smooth pate with beef, developed with pet foods experts. Should be nice. It's got omega 3 and 6 in it. Probiotics and no added artificial colours or flavourings. So this would taste really nice.
What's it got in the back then?
It promotes healthy skin and coat. I'm not going to read what's got in it because I can't read it from here because my eyes are that bad. Can you read it or not?
Yeah. Let's have a look. Composition: meat and animal derivatives. 4% beef.
Ooh.
That's a high number, isn't it?
4% beef
4%.
in the pate.
Minerals, oils and fats.
Lovely.
Fish oils. Various sugars. Derivatives and vegetable origins.
You're looking forward to it then, are you?
I am so excited for this.
You're actually going to try and keep one down, can you?
Can we not talk about it then?
There's all those derogatives in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, eh? Nice bit of pate, bit of beef in there,
Yeah.
and loads of derogatives. It's your spoon and mine?
That's yours.
Sure.
Yeah, you licked yours clean almost.
No. Some bit of an animal. Right, ready?
Yeah, you get yours
You get a
first.
decent spoonful?
Look how jelly it is in
Oh.
there.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Don't drop it. There's a big bit of jelly on there.
Yeah, don't worry about the jelly. You just
Yeah,
get it in your
come on.
mouth. It
Don't-
helps lubricate the throat. Come on. Don't fast around with it.
I'm not a big fan of pate, to be honest.
Never right, I can't stand pate.
Oh, I've got to put more jelly on it.
Don't worry about it. Let's eat it. Come on.
Right, let me put mine in my mouth first.
Got him.
So, just in case. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Get in there.
What?
Hey?
Oh.
I can't hear a word you're saying there, can you? Chew it.
Oh, I am.
In a bowl. Right, here we
It's
are.
not shampoo. Oh, come on. Oh, a lump.
Nice.
I'm not looking.
Nom 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 nom.
I'm looking. What
Where's the one?
For God's sake! I don't think I could do this for a living.
Well, that's quite enjoyable, that one. For a pate.
Completely.
You finished being sick now, have you?
I don't know.
Have you actually kept anything down or not? I don't think you have you?
It's your sound effects. And the chunks.
I must admit, it's a bit gritty.
They're not very ground very well, are they?
It's probably the abrogatives, whatever they call them, in them. All the like leftover bits that no one else wants, like claws and cheeks and ass, windpipes and.
Oh.
Right. Verdict. Wasn't too bad. Quite enjoyable. Don't think Paige liked it very much.
I thoroughly enjoyed it,
She threw
actually.
everything up. Luna enjoys it. Look, she's eating it nicely. If you like that sort of stuff, you want to see us do more of the eating contests, eating challenges and that, please like and subscribe. And,
Please send us more ideas what you'd like us to try to eat.
I'll eat most things, as you can see, especially dog food. It doesn't bother me eating dog food, actually, to tell you the truth. I've eaten worse.
Maybe a nice challenge next time.
Like cat food or something.
Don't think so.
No.
No, not to.
As I say, leave us a nice comment, leave us some comments. I like to read the comments and then reply to every one of them. And I'll see you on the next challenge. Cheers!
Bye.
Bye! Let's start.
Do you want to say that?
Got him.
You have to put that